Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Start by loosening and removing the upper tie rod end on the sway bar link. To do this, take a 17mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Stop the rotation of the tie rod end with an Allen socket and remove the lock nut with a spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower tie rod.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. It may be necessary to lever it in so that it goes in properly. Put it in the upper placement and screw the lug nut in a little. Then insert it into the lower part. Put the second nut in. Tighten the lug nuts. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.